Nidhyana, Assistant Professor, AC Department, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy. In this video lecture, we will see the C programming. First, we see some simple programs. In first program, it is to display the welcome to all message. In this program, as include stdio.h. This stdio.h is a preprocessor command which is used to get input and display the output. Program execution starts from this int main brackets. Program executes in between the starting and the end set brackets. In this set bracket, first line starts backslashes, two backslashes. After that, printf bracket displays the string inside the quotation. This line is used to give the command. Two front slashes in front of the lines means it gives only the commands. The next line, printf bracket double quote quotation welcome to all, double quotation close, bracket close, semicolon. This line is used to display the message, used to display the character inside the double quotation. Next program to print an integer. The main program will execute inside the set brackets. First of all, we have to declare that what type of data we are using. Here in this program, we have to print an integer. So integer data type. So it describes the integer data type, and number is a variable. We can give any name for variables. Here we use number for variable. Int indicates integer value, integer data type. Number stores the integer data type data. Next, printf command. It is used to display the character in between the double quotation. Here, enter an input integer character is displayed. So next, double flag backslash reads and stores the input. Double flag backslash indicates the upcoming data or command. Next line, scanf command. Scanf %t, ampersand number. It gets the input data, that is D indicates integer data, and store the integer data in that variable number. So scanf command is used to get the input data and store it and variable. Next, backslash display the output, so it gives the command. Next, in this printf command, the data entered in between the quotations are displayed. In this printf command, you entered character is displayed. After that, %t. Here, %t indicates the data type. It displays the data which is stored in the number. Next program to add two integers. Program in between the int main brackets will be executed. First, we have to declare the data types. Here we are going to add two integer values. So for that we are using int data type. So we have to declare what are the variables in that int data type. So for that, int number 1, number 2, and sum. These are the data variables. Number 1, number 2, sum. These are the data variables we are going to use in this program. Next, printf command. Printf command is to display the character in between the quotations. Here enter the two integers going to display. Next we have to get the two inputs. For that scanf command is used. After getting the inputs, it stores in the number 1 and the number 2 variables. After that we have to calculate the addition of these two numbers. For that sum is another variable. So here sum equal to number 1 plus number 2. The variables which are stored in number 1 and number 2 are added and it's stored in the sum variable. After that we have to print out the sum variables. For that we are using printf command. Here finally adding the number 1 and the number 2 integer values and stored in the sum value is printed by using this last printf command. Next program, find the largest number among the three numbers. In this program, we are using n1, n2, n3, three variables which is stored the three different numbers. One number is compared with the other two numbers. If it is greater than, it has to be displayed. For this, here we are using double data type, and n1, n2, n3 are variables. Next line, printf command. Printf command is to display the characters in between the quotation. Enter three different numbers. It gives the characters enter the three different numbers. Next, we get the three inputs. For that, scanf command is used. Here, %f indicates floating data point. Through the scanf command, we get the three inputs and stored in the n1, n2, n3 variables. After that, if command. If command is executed if the command in between the brackets are true. Otherwise, it comes out. In this first is if command n1 is greater than both n2 and n3. If n1 is greater, then next printf command will execute. That largest number is n1. Otherwise, next if command will execute. If n2 is greater than both n1 and n3, it prints the largest number n2. Otherwise, third if command will execute. That is, n3 is greater than both and n1 and n2. The largest number n3 will display. So likewise, largest number among the three different numbers will execute. Program to add two matrices. A and B are two matrices. One is another matrix which is stored in the addition of A and B matrices. Here, integer data types are used. So int R, C, A matrix, B matrix, some matrix, I, J variables. So all are integer data type. Next, we have to declare the row and column sizes. So for that, printf and scanf command is used to get the row size. First printf command, enter the number of rows between 1 and 100. Next scanf command, %t and both commands are used to get the number of rows, that is row size. Next printf and scanf command is to get the column size. Next, we have to get the element of the matrix. First, we have to get the elements of first matrix. For that, printf and for loops are used. Printf command is to display the characters in between the double quotation. Here, front class n indicates new line of the display. First printf, by using this printf, it displays the enter the elements of first matrix. Next, for I equal to 0, I less than or increment I, use it to get the first, use it to get the row elements. Next, for j equal to 0, j less than c increment j, use it to get the column elements. Printf and scanf command, use it to get the row and the column elements and to display the first matrix. Next, we have to get the second elementary matrix. For that, printers and for loops are used. By using this printf and scanf command, we get the second element matrix. And finally, we have to add two matrix. For that, we are also using the for loop. After that, by using this for loop, we have to sum the A matrix and the B matrix and store in the sum I, j matrix. Finally, we have to display the sum matrix. For that also, we are using for I equal to 0, I less than or increment I j equal to 0, j less than c increment j. By using this for loop and the printf command, finally we get the sum matrix output. Thank you.